Hi, it's Michael here again. I hope everyone is very, very well and safe and sound today. We've got a great promo for today. As you can see, it is called Loopz. I do quite like that logo. It looks really quite good, doesn't it? That's quite a nice logo. Whoever designed that, well done. What this product actually does is it takes advantage of a loophole where you can actually get your affiliate link on all of the top offers on Warrior Plus and all the top offers on JVzoo. And when I mean all the top offers, I mean all of the ones that are selling in abundance, the ones that have got massive sales, so you can have your link right across all of the sales pages and the products on Warrior Plus and JVzoo. And it works phenomenally well. And they say that the beta testers who tested this were making about $47 a sale, which is normally the base price on the likes of JVzoo. So it's only 3 steps. It's called Loopz. You basically buy the product, you activate it, and then it starts making you money. It's very, very straightforward and easy to use. In fact, the demo today is one of the best demos I've ever seen. It really, really goes into detail. It shows you exactly what to do, how you can put buy buttons in all the different places with your link connected to all of the buy buttons as well. And it soon mounts up this $47 over and over again. It's only 3 clicks, as it says, and you've got to understand this. We do this all the time when we do launches and promos as well. When something's selling for a certain amount of money or you're making a certain amount of money at a time, you soon realize that 10 times 47 is $470, which is nearly $500. So then you think, okay, well, how much is 20 times? 20 times is $940. And you think, well, that's nearly $1,000. We've only sold 20 products, which is the way this will work extremely well for you. So it's a tried and tested method. He's got proof in the video and everything and shows you exactly how to do it. There's a few different things within there as well. It is a shortcut to success, but if it doesn't work, there is $250 back for you if it doesn't work. So it must work extremely well. You've got to pick the right offer. You've got to pick the right offer on the right day. And you've got to get the right offer on JVzoo. And you've got to get a great offer on Warrior Plus as well. But you get the affiliate link. So there's no waiting for approval or anything along those lines. So it is quick and easy for you to use. This is the key to this product, making it just easier for newbies. So this means that your dreams and everything that you ever wanted and everything that you think you want could happen really, really quickly because of the amount of money. If you want to pay off a credit card or something along those lines, or you want to buy a new car, wherever it may be, then this will help you on the way to that. Now, what has probably been happening, you're probably getting a bit fed up. You're probably beginning to get low. You're thinking, oh, I've heard it all before. I've seen it all before. It's all tried and tested. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. It's not working. But what you don't have in place is a system that works really well. Now, the guys that I work with and the different things that we do, we have specific systems in place, tried and tested methods that we know work. All these different things all lined up and have taken years to actually figure out and years to do. This gets you past that, which is why they say it's a shortcut. It gets you to where people are now. So this is the winning system that they have. You've obviously heard of Warrior Plus and JVzoo, and this is how much money Jason's made. He's made an absolute fortune. He averages over $1 million a year. So if he knows how to make money online, then he's passing all this information on to you with this new product as well. And he says there's a $5 billion loophole, and they've figured out how to exploit this. Now, before you think, whoa, that's going to be a little bit illegal, it's not illegal. It's all totally legal and above board, and you get paid over and over and over again, which is absolutely fantastic. So you can make as much as you wish. You don't have to worry about different things, about how long will this take to put together, what have I got to do, all these different things. It's all done for you. You don't even need any special skills. It is completely and absolutely newbie friendly. So if you're a beginner, or even if you're an expert, even if you're bad on computers, no matter what you know about affiliate marketing, this will work really well for you. It's just in one click and it's all set and forget as well. Is there something that you need to know? No, it just works, no problem whatsoever. You don't have to worry about anything. Now, this is some information here. Resulted in over 3,000 visitors straight away and $500 in sales very, very, very quickly. So you say there's something where we ourselves have never seen before in 10 years of internet marketing. So it's something that they've set up and thought, oh, this might work, and it has worked extremely well. So I'll tell you what we'll do. Let's have a look at the demo. You'll know what I'm talking about when you see the demo. The demo is great. It's only about 10 minutes long, or maybe 11 or 12. I think it's about 10 minutes long. Have a look at it, and it goes into great detail, and this will work really well for you. Cheers.
Hey guys, welcome to Loopz demo video, and in this video I'm going to show you how this powerful software works. Loopz is the world's first ever profit looping system, which gets us $47 payments over and over again every time we hit the refresh button, and it's all possible by exploiting a $5 billion loophole that gets us massive traffic in less than 49 seconds. And aside that, we have also banked $100,000, 352 cents in lazy profits using Loopz. And the best part of this is that it works in just 3 simple steps. All you just have to do is just to click on the button to set up your Loopz, activate it, and hit refresh to start seeing your earnings, to start seeing your profits in few minutes. So I'm going to log into my dashboard now to show you how Loopz work. Okay, so here is Loopz dashboard. As you can see, on the dashboard, we have the Loopz site, the visitors, the support, in case you want to contact support. We have the site tags, and we have the welcome message. So on the left-hand side, we have the dashboard, the bestseller menu. This bestseller menu is where you get a top selling product on WarriorPlus and JVzoo, as you can see. So you can click on any of the two and it takes you to the bestseller page. So as you can see here, you can see the top selling products on JVzoo. The same thing with WarriorPlus. If you click on WarriorPlus, it shows you the top selling product on WarriorPlus. And then you can see the affiliate details where you can get your affiliate link. These are high paying products that can get you between $37 to $47 and as high as $297. So it's an easy $47 payment. So now once you get any of the best selling product that you want to promote, all you need to do is just to click on the affiliate link to get the sales page, or if you have any best-selling product you want to promote that is outside what is on the bestseller section for Loopz, you can get the affiliate link as well. So in this case, I'm just going to use one of our products for example. So the next menu we are going to move to is called the Loopz sites. So you go to Loopz sites and you click on create Loopz. Manage Loopz is where you manage your existing loops. So I'm going to click on create Loopz, and then it's going to take you to this page. Now as you can see, you will be asked to enter the sales page of the URL you want to start getting loop of profits from. So you can get any sales page of a product you want to promote, maybe from JVzoo, WarriorPlus, or ClickBank, and paste the URL here. So in this case, I'm going to paste my Clicko URL here, as you can see. Now note, in case you get a 404 error or a blank website, it means that particular website does not support third-party content and you can retry with a different website. So in case you get an error anytime you submit a website, it means you cannot create a loop site from that particular sales page. So in this case, I'm just going to click on the submit button. So as you can see, then it clones the sales page automatically so that you can create your own loop site. So once it clones the sales page, as you can see like this, then you can start adding any element on top of that page so that you can monetize the page and take full control and then create your own loop site. So now you can edit all the text. As you can see, it's editable. You can change anything. Can you see? You can change anything. You can change the image, you can edit the text, you can remove the video, you can edit anything. So the very first thing you need to do in order to create your loop site is to add timer or countdown. So here I can just add a countdown at the top of the site, which will induce scarcity on people and force them to take action as fast as possible. So I'll just click at the top here and then insert my countdown, as you can see. So I can say in the next 20 minutes, and then click on insert. Hence it's going to insert the countdown. So yeah, I can say offer expires in 19 minutes. Can you see that? So once that is done, the next thing you can add review video on top of this particular video. So anywhere you want to add your review video, you can add it. If you want to add it here, you can just click on add video. So once you want to add video, it will ask for a YouTube video ID. So you can go to YouTube, upload your video there. Maybe you have a review video or a demo video. Upload the video there, or copy the tag of an existing video that relates to that particular sales page you just clone. Copy the video ID and go back to our editor and paste it there. Once you paste it, click on the insert button, and this will automatically insert the review or demo video on top of that website, as you can see, live inside our website. So this is different and unique. No software is doing something like this. So once you add the video there, you can as well add your own call to action button. This is actually how you monetize the pages, the Loopz pages that you just created. This is how you monetize it. So you can add your own call to action button, which will include your affiliate link. So I'm going to do that and just click on the add button. As you can see, then you add your affiliate link here. So here I'm going to just copy this link, then go back to this place and paste it as my affiliate link. So ensure that the affiliate link that you paste here is the same thing with the page you just cloned. If you're promoting Clicko, then your Clicko affiliate link should be here. So the next will be a call to action. So you can just type in the call to action text. You can type something like click here to grab Clicko plus my bonuses. Or let me say my exclusive worth $5,000. Can you see that? Then you set your button text color. I can use black or change the color to whatever color you want to use. And here the background color, just going to select yellow. You see that? So once I select that, then the button size, I'll select large. Then the font size, I'll select 20. Then you click on the insert button. And as you can see, the button is added automatically. Can you see that? Also, to induce scarcity, you can add what we call scarcity elements to show the number of people or the number of bonuses that is gone or the numbers you have left. So I can click here to add scarcity. Can you say, you can just say 70 spots gone. Can you see that? And then I'll click on the insert button. So as you can see, once you've added your buy button or affiliate link button or call to action button, you can as well change all the buttons on the sales page. You can delete everything. You see, you can just delete it and then replace with your own button. Aside that, you can as well add your bonuses. So the bonuses you want to give them, you can add it maybe under your review video or wherever you want to add the bonuses. So here, let's say I want to add bonuses here. I can just add my bonuses below. So all you have to do is just to click on the bonus. Can you see? So you see tons of bonuses depending on the upgrade that you have or the package that you purchase. You see the bonuses there that you can insert inside the clone page. So here, let's say I want to add my bonuses depending on where I want to add the bonuses. So if I want to add bonuses here, I can just go to add bonuses, then add, let's say I want to add like 3-4 bonuses, then let's click on the insert button. So you can add as many bonuses as possible. You can edit anything on the site. You can hyperlink and then add your affiliate link as well. So you can hyperlink any page and add your own URL. So you can see, let's say I want to add a URL here. I'll just click on add URL, then add the URL link. So let's say that's a link text. You want it to open a new tab or no, so you click on insert. You can see the buy button is there automatically. So once I'm done monetizing my Loopz site, the next thing is to save the page. So you can give it a name. So here I can just say Clicko Loopz. Can you see that? Then I'm going to click on the save Loopz site. And in one click, it's going to create my Loopz site for me. Can you see that? So Clicko Loopz is created automatically. And then you see you can edit or you can delete. and here you can share your Loopz link to over 200 traffic sources. So we have Facebook, we have Twitter, WhatsApp, email, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and all that. We have a lot of them. So you can just share and start getting traffic from all these social media platforms and other traffic sources. So aside that, we also have a bonus library. Bonus library is where you can actually get the download links for all the bonuses you offer to your customers. So you can copy these bonus links and add it on your thank you pages or on your JVzoo or Warrior Plus purchase as bonus section so that users can have access to the bonuses. Aside that, you also have done for you Loopz site. This is for people that have access to the done for you Loopz site upgrades. You have access to done for you Loopz site that you can use. All you just have to do is just to add your affiliate links. And the last part is the ads builder. These allow you to actually create your own bonus image graphics. If you don't want to use maybe our done for you bonuses, we have lots of bonus in the library. So in case you don't want to use that, you can as well create your own bonus image here. All you just have to do is just to select the size. As you can see, you can use a photo or just create new, then specify the size. So once you specify the size, click on create. As you can see, then you can design it, you can change the background, you can do whatever you want to do with it, add image, add text, add frame and all that. And once you're done, you just click on the save button. It downloads to the system automatically. So that's how to create your own bonus library, and then you can import it to your Loopz site as image. So Loopz allows you to take over any high converting sales page, monetize it with your links, add exclusive bonuses, add review videos, and get top dollars for it, get unlimited profit for it. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Thanks to Jason there for that demo. That was really, really straightforward and easy and great, wasn't it? It showed you absolutely every different element and all the different things that Loopz can do for you, and getting all of your stuff on all of the top products. I can see how people will make a great deal of money with this. So we've got bonuses today as well. We've got some great bonuses to help you understand more about making money online and more about affiliate marketing as well. We've got high conversion formulas for the likes of JVzoo. We've got affiliate marketing strategy to show you how to make money in affiliate marketing as a whole. So this can get your link to all the top selling offers. You can link all to all the top Warrior Plus and JVzoo top sales and products, all the different pages as you saw in the demo. This will work really, really well for you, and I don't think there should be a problem at all. I think the demo is one of the best demos I've ever seen, and this will work really, really well for you. Get your link on the top selling Warrior Plus and JVzoo products and make $47 a sale. I think that's absolutely fantastic. My name is Michael Nesbitt. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. We'll start building various things for the YouTube channel this week. We're going to have lots of tutorials and various things like that. And we're building various pages on the likes of Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. But the YouTube channel is getting lots of training. So subscribe to that and you'll get to see all the new training that comes out in the coming weeks. And it'll really, really help you do really, really well in affiliate marketing. Michael Nesbitt from Warrior I Am. Look after yourself, and I'll speak to you very, very soon. All the best. Cheers.